what's on my face? My face today is, ginamit ko yung MAC Studio Radiance Foundation Keme. And then, eyebrows, clear brow gel lang yan. My contacts are the Spot Contact Lens in Mood Beige. Medyo naninibago ko kasi this one has a ring. Medyo, I don't know if it suits me. Para akong, you know. Lippy ko is Peri Pera Water Bear Tint in the shade 06. And then, naglagay lang ako nung color blue na is si Fat Gloss. And then, naka-lip liner ako ng BLK in Bare Blush. Perfume ko today is Lucky Beauty, Lucky Potion, Eau de Parfum, and Aura of Bliss. Kasi ito lang yung nabitbit kong pabango. Pero mabango naman siya. Kasi kung hindi ito mabango, hindi tabag sa kanya pabango, diba? So, salamat sa friend ko sa pagbibigay nito sa akin. Hindi ko rin alam kung ma-offend ako kasi, diba, parang pag binigyan ka ng mint, so ibig sabihin ba mabaho yung bibig ko. Pero feel ko hindi naman. Feel ko he's just looking out for me. Okay, bye. Kain muna akong lunch. It's 1:24.